Good evening, everyone. Respected HM teachers, dear parents, and all my friends. My name is Rehana Shahjahan, and I am from class 2. I feel very happy and excited to welcome you all to the 61st annual day celebration of St. Thomas LP School, Commonwealth. Today is very special day for our school. It is the day we come together to celebrate all the fun, hard work and amazing things we did this year. Have a prepared dances, songs and many wonderful programs just for you. We thank you we thank our teachers, parents and all teachers, parents for supporting and us and helping. So sit back and relax and enjoy the programs. Thank you all. Have a great evening.